Good morning students. Today we are learn our 13th GK chapter of class 5th, that is Indian warriors and rulers. Okay. So let's start. Our question is, look at the pictures and identify the great warriors by reading some interesting facts about them. Look at the pictures and identify the great warriors by reading some interesting facts about them. Okay. So let's start. Look at this picture, students. He was the fourth Mughal emperor who ruled from 1605 until his death in 1627. He was the fourth Mughal emperor. Okay. He ruled from 1605 until his death in 1627. He was the eldest surviving son of the Mughal Emperor Akbar. He was the son of Mughal Emperor Akbar. Okay. The art of Mughal painting, science and architectures reached great heights under his reign. The art of Mughal painting, science and architecture reached great height under his reign. Okay. So he was Jahangir. Right here, Jahangir. Then next is, look at this picture. He was the founder and ruler of the Delhi Sultan in India. He was the founder and ruler of Delhi Sultan in India. Okay. He expanded his domain by defeating many Hindu and Muslim rulers. He expanded his domain by many Hindus and Muslim rulers. Okay. So he was Iltutmish. Okay. So right here, Iltutmish. Then look at this picture. He was an Indian emperor of the Maurya dynasty. He was the Indian emperor of Maurya dynasty. He adopted Buddhism after witnessing mass death of the destructive war against the state of Kalinga. He adopted Buddhism after witnessing mass death of the destructive war against the Kalinga. Okay. Kalinga is modern Odisha. Okay. So he was Ashoka. So right here, Ashoka. Then look at this picture. She was the only woman ever crowned in the Delhi Sultan. She was only woman ever crowned in Delhi Sultan. Okay. She was the daughter of Iltutmish. She was the daughter of Iltutmish, who created history by becoming the first Sultan to appoint a woman as his successor. So she was Razia Sultan. So right here, Razia Sultan. Next is, look at this picture. He was the third and one of the most powerful emperor of the Mughal dynasty. He was the third and one of the most powerful emperor of the Mughal dynasty. He was fond of art and culture and the constructed great architectural structures during his reign. He was fond the art and the culture and the constructed great architectural structures during his reign, such as Agra Fort, Buland Darwaza, Fatehpur Sikri, Humayun Tomb and many more. Okay. So he was Akbar. Right here, Akbar. Next is, look at this picture. Look at this picture, students. He laid the foundation of the Kola kingdom of southern India between 985 to 1014 CE. He built the magnificent Raja Rajeshwara temple at Thanjavur. he built the magnificent Raja Rajeshwar temple at Thanjavur, which is one of the largest Hindu temple in India. This temple is the largest Hindu temple in India. So he was Raja Chola. Okay. So understand, in your homework write this question in your notebook and book also. Okay.